that shit.
I'm gonna need my back done too, though.
Look good. I mean, they ain't too bad. The back ones. So the back ones ain't too bad. You could definitely wait on those, so you ain't gotta waste on money. Yeah, your pads is definitely low, but your rotors is good. You don't have to replace the rotor. Yeah, but if you want to do them at the same time, you can. But your rotors is good, but the pads is just a little bit low. They're not failing low, but it's low.
Would it last me 2 weeks?
Yeah, it lasts me more than 2 weeks.
So when I hit you back for 2 weeks to get that done, you think you'll be available?
Yeah. Yeah. Nah, yeah, the address looked mad familiar. I was like, I swear I've been over there before, but I'm not from out here, so I use GPS everywhere I go. I was like, that shit sound way familiar. Yeah. All right, Chad, we got a 2013 Nissan. Yeah. Front pads and rotors. We should be done probably like 30 minutes. An hour tops. I'll come back when we're done. All right, we got both wheels off. Got the car jacked up. Let's get into it. For the caliber bolts, it's gonna be 222 mils. And then the push pins, the slide pins, gonna be 14. I already cracked one so y'all can see. Just get that bad boy out. Next one. Make sure you turn your wheel towards you so you can get some more. Oh shit. Hang on. Backed it out too far before I got that up the middle. It's fucking hard to record and fucking do the shit at the same time. I gotta get the glasses. I left my fucking tripod at home. Yep. Just like that. Boom, boom. Slide these boys up. Take the caliper off. Look, I already pushed the brake pad back and everything. This is the old, he's not changing the caliper, he's just changing the pads and the rotors. But once you hang this up, hold on, don't do it like me, I gotta go get a hanger, but I'm just showing y'all the old pads. Shit is fucking sharp. There you go. He wasn't that far down on his pads, but he wanted them replaced, so gotta do it for him. He is kind of getting to the middle, but take that hardwood out. There you go. All right, I'm gonna get this other side done, and I'm gonna show y'all after. But oh yeah, you get the caliper off. Bracket off like with this, then you knock the rotor off. I'm gonna show y'all all that, but I'm just trying to get this all chipped up. It's hot as fuck. All right, got me a bungee, got the caliper hung up. See how that bad boy just slides out? Boom. Yep, and I don't even need, damn, that thing just dropped right out. I don't even need a damn mallet. to knock the damn rotor off. It came straight off. Ain't too bad. It was kind of grinding though. But old pads, new rotor. Where the fuck is my knife? Now we get this on. Hold on, I'll be right. Fuck it. Make sure you clean everything up. All right. Once it's on there, get that. Go slow. Go. There you go. And the next one. Go slow for the top. Cross third that. All right there. Now you got your rotor on. Now it's time to put in the new pads and safety pins. Put the safety pins in. Let me show you how. All right, as you can see, got the safety pins down, got the pads slid in. Next thing you do, you take the caliper, slide it over, and get the bolts back in. I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Damn, bro, I need a camera, man. Let y'all see. It goes in. Make sure you tighten them bad boys up. You don't want these bolts flying off while you're driving. And just like that, boom, everything is all Gucci. Got the new pads in, new rotor on, old rotor, old pads. And I'm gonna have to go do the same thing to the other side. Boom, and I'm gonna show you as soon as we done. I'm out. Damn, son, I literally just noticed as I was doing the other caliber that I didn't even get to show y'all my new tool, bro. And I was looking for the damn brick caliber. This shit to hang up. It's right here. But yeah, instead of using a screwdriver, this shit, the video about to cut off. I just put it on the video. You can use this, chat. Come on. I'll show you exactly how to use this. Come up to the pad like this. And then, so basically, you put this in here, and it'll push the piston. It pushes the piston back to normal after you do that. But I can't do the shit with two hands, so I'll show you after. I can really show y'all one hand, but you just keep on releasing and doing pressure, and then once you push it, you see how it's moving? Once it gets back all the way, you're all set. Just like that. Now it's time to zip it back up. I should be back in. All right, job all done. One more thing before I finish too. I almost fucked up. Make sure you put the arrows on your brake pads facing down. They fit in both ways, but they have to go down. Make sure they go down. That's why I just had to redo this side real quick. But I'm about to get the tires put back on and everything. And then I'm gonna show you after I'm done. I'm out.